Okay, so here is our first example of a biconditional statement. And all we're asked to do at this point is write down a proof outline for proving this statement. Let's take a look at it. N is even if and only if n squared is even. So this is an if and only if statement. So we will start our proof outline by emphasizing that. N is even if and only if n squared is even. So our proof will have two parts to it. First, we will assume that n is even and show that this implies that n squared is even. Leave a little bit of room over here. The second thing we're going to do is assume that n squared is even and show that n is even. So both of these will have to be done separately. And this one is very easy. We can do it right now. If n is even, all we have to do is demonstrate that this can be written as twice some integer. So n is equal to 2k. So n squared is equal to 2k squared is equal to 4k squared is equal to 2 times 2k squared. So here we have twice an integer. So we know how to do this already. Now this one is a little harder because think of what you're going to run into. If you assume that n squared is even, you could write n squared as 2k. But then what? Somehow you need to get down to n. And this is where you might get into trouble. So we will actually use a different proof technique for this one. This will be done later. But this outline gives you an idea for how to approach an if and only if statement. You break it up into two and show each one separately.